Hello everyone, my dear students of first year. Let us solve some problems on a binomial distribution. Already in our last videos we have studied the concept as well as some problems on binomial distribution. Now today also we will solve some problems on binomial distribution. So output of today's lecture to understand the concept of binomial distribution with examples. So write down the problem here. The problem given is out of 800 families, out of 800 families with 5 children each, out of 800 families with 5 children each, how many would you expect to have? First one, 3 boys, second, 5 girls, third, either 2 or 3 boys. Now 800 families are given and 5 children each. So value of n is 5 here. Our value of n is 5 and children is there, so either girl or boy. So value of p is 1 by 2, therefore q also 1 by 2. 1 minus p, we get q. So all three values in our hand. We know the concept of binomial distribution and we have to solve three problems. Just keep in your mind, total families are 800, means whatever the probabilities we get, to that probability we have to multiply by 800. आपल्याला जे आन्सर येईल प्रोबॅबिलिटीचं त्याला 800 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे. नाव हिअर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 3 बॉयज. पहिला क्वेश्चन बघा, 3 बॉयज, सेकंड 5 गर्ल्स अँड थर्ड आयदर 2 or 3 बॉयज. नीट लिहिलंय. सो लेट अस सॉल्व नाउ ऑन व्हाइट बोर्ड. ओके. Here the value of n as we discussed it is 5. Probability having a boy, probability is having a boy 1 by 2. Q is also 1 by 2. What is the formula for binomial distribution? F of x, or you may write P of x, is equal to NCx P raised to x Q raised to n minus x. Means here if I write in terms of n, 5cx value of n, value of p is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 raised to x into, again value of q is also 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 raised to 5 minus x. Now we can solve easily, or simply you can write this 5cx into 1 by 2 raised to x, x and 5 minus x. So what I get it here, only 5. Okay, you may take this one or the above one, no problem. Let us now find the first value. What is our first question? Have you remember the first question? Having a, yes, having 3 boys. 800 families we will multiply, but what is the first question? Having 3 boys. 3 boys means P of 3. So P of 3 is equal to 5C3. X is 3 taka. Then 1 by 2 cube into 1 by 2 raised to 5 minus 3. So here I get 5C3. घ्या कॅल्सी, सॉल्व ऑन कॅल्सी, कॅल्क्युलेटर घ्या, सॉल्व करा. So you get answer for this. The answer you have to find. Just do the calculation and tell me answer. So your answer is 0.3125. Right? This is for one family. Whatever the answer we get, it is for one family. Therefore, total families, total is equal to 0.3125 into 800. Just multiply it by 800. What you will get? 0.3125 into 800. You will get 250 is the answer. So there are 250 families having 3 boys. Second one is, what is our second question? Having 5 girls. Having 5 girls. 5 girls, total are 5 and 5 girls there means, yes, what it indicate? 5 girls means 0 boys. 0 boys, right? So P of 0 or F of 0 we have to find. So 5C is 0, 1 by 2 raised to 0 into 1 by 2 raised to 5 minus 0. Do the calculation, you will get the answer 0.03125. Multiply it by 800. Total families is equal to 0.03125 into 800. So you will get 25. Just a calculation, nothing is there. So 25 families are there. And third one, 2 or 3 boys. 2 or 3 boys means P of 2 plus P of 3. So here 5C2 1 by 2 its square into 1 by 2 raised to 5 minus 2 plus 5C3 into 1 by 2 its cube into 1 by 2 raised to 5 minus 3. Do the calculation. Solve on calci. C3 वगैरह calci वरती येतं सहजपणे. Find it. You will get 0.625. 0.625 into 800 you have to multiply and your answer is 500. Understood? So this is our first problem. Okay, write down the second problem now. An insurance sales representative means a policy representative. An insurance sales representative sells policies to 5 men. Sells policies to 5 men. All are same age and good health. All are same age and good health. The probability that a man will live 70 years is 2 by 3. Probability that man will live 70 years, त्याचं वय 70 वर्षापर्यंत जगू शकेल, is 2 by 3. Find the probability that out of these 5 men, find the probability that first one, all 5 men. First one is all 5 men. Second, at least 3 men. Third, only 2 men. And fourth one, at least one man. At least one man will live up to 70 years. So 3-4 questions collected here. Just like all 5 men live up to 70 years, at least 3 men, only 2 men, and at least 1 man. So one by one we have to solve it. Okay. We turn towards our whiteboard. So here the first one we have to keep in our mind, n is 5. Now a man is live or dead. Only 2 chances are there. So probability is 1 by 2. So Q is also 1 by 2. Either dead or alive. So here n equal to 5, P equal to 1 by 2, Q is also 1 by 2. Next one, our binomial distribution P of x, or you may write f of x, is equal to ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. So here 5cx 1 by 2 raised to x into 1 by 2 raised to 5 minus x. First value, what is that? All 5 men, all 5. So x equal to 5, p of 5 we have to find. Do it. P of 5, x जागेवर 5 टाका. So p of 5 is equal to 5c5 1 by 2 raised to, yes, what I get? 5, and here 1 by 2 raised to 5 minus 5 is 0. Anything raised to 0 is 1. So our answer is, first answer is 0.3125. This one? No, something is wrong. First answer. I am asking about the first answer. No, it is not correct. 0. Yes, 0.1316. Yes. By calci, you will get this answer 0.1316, or you may write simply, if you simplify it completely, you will get 32 upon 243. No problem. Second one is, what's the second question? At least 3 men means P of x less at least 3 म्हणजे कमीत कमी 3, x greater than P of x greater than or equal to 3, at least 3. So here P of 3 plus P of 4 plus P of 5, at least 3, कमीत कमी. So here 5C3, just write down quickly, 1 by 2 cube into 1 by 2 raised to 5 minus 3 plus, हे कॅल्सीवरती करत चला पटपट, 5C4 1 by 2 raised to 4 into 1 by 2 raised to 5 minus 4, that is 1, and last term 5C5. Already we have found this 5C5. परत काढायचं तर काढा, नाही तर डायरेक्टली लिहा 1 by 2 raised to 5, right? And add this, you will get, do it by calci, you will get 0.7901, I think so, 0.7901. This may be your answer. Third one, only 2 men means P of 2. P of 2 is equal to 5C2 1 by 2 square into 1 by 2 5 minus 2. Simplify this, you will get 0.1646. काय कॅल्सीवरती फक्त व्हॅल्यू टाकत चालायचे. And last one, at least 1 man. At least 1, P of x greater than or equal to 1. At least 1 means 1 minus none, P of 0. 1 minus P of 0. So 1 minus 5C0, 1 minus 5C0 into 1 by 2 raised to 1 into 1 by 2 raised to 0 into 1 by 2 raised to 5 minus 0, it is 5. So your answer is 0.9958. 0.9958, right? 1 minus that, because this answer 5C0, this answer you will get 0.004, and 1 minus that you will get 0.9958. Okay, so this is our second problem, solution of second problem. Our next question is, if the probability of defective bolt is 0.1, probability of defective bolt is 0.1, find mean and standard deviation for the number of defective bolts in a total of 400 bolts. See, probability of defective bolt is 0.1, find mean and standard deviation. Question is for mean and standard deviation for the number of defective bolts in a total of 400 bolts. So there are n equal to 400 bolts. Probability of defective bolt is 0.1. So you can find from this Q, value of Q, because Q is equal to what? 1 minus P. So I get here 1 minus 0.1. So value of Q is 0.9. Okay, we will turn towards on whiteboard and we will solve this problem. So what are the values here? P equal to 0.1. So Q is equal to 1 minus P, it is 0.9. Value of N is 400. Value of N is 400. It is given. Now we know that in binomial distribution, mean is equal to NP. Mu is equal to N into P. That is 400 into 0.1. So I get here 40. And sigma means standard deviation is equal to under root of NPQ. So is equal to under root of NPQ. NP into Q. NP is 40 into Q is 0.9. Right? So I get here under root of 36, and root of 36 means 6. So standard deviation is 6. So in a simple way, we have solved this problem. Correct? So we stop here. In next lecture, we will start our Poisson distribution. Still few problems are there in your exercise. You just try to solve it, and if you are not able to solve, then you can ask me. Okay, thanks.